Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the gesture itself. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and locate Back Tap or the equivalent gesture control. Once found, toggle it on and make sure you grant any system permissions it requests, because without permission, the gesture can't trigger screenshots. If your phone groups gestures under Touch or Motions, look there. Once done, you're ready to assign a function. Do not skip permissions, or you'll see no response when you tap the back. Now assign the action. Open the back tap options, choose double tap as your trigger, and then select Screenshot from the available actions. You want to pick Screenshot rather than a third-party shortcut because direct system actions are faster and more reliable. Once selected, exit Settings and test it with a confident, quick double tap on the back. If nothing happens, repeat slowly then faster. Timing matters, and you may need to adjust how firmly you tap. To capture, double tap the back of the device with a brief, rhythmic motion. You'll hear a shutter or see a flash. If the phone doesn't respond, make sure your case isn't too thick, because cases can dampen taps. Once done, adjust sensitivity in back tap settings, or try mapping the screenshot to a different gesture like single tap if offered. If it still fails, restart the phone and check for system updates. Those fixes often resolve buggy gesture recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.